Welcome back to Car Tools, your go-to destination for the latest and most exciting automotive updates from around the globe. Today, we're diving into the modern marvel that is the modified 2025 BMW i, a car that perfectly blends performance, luxury, and futuristic design cues. Whether you're a BMW enthusiast or simply love cutting-edge engineering, this one's going to keep you hooked. From the first glance, the modified 2025 BMW's i stands out with its bold and aggressive exterior. The signature kidney grille has been reimagined with an illuminated border and active air flaps for better aerodynamics. The custom front bumper houses sharper air vents, paired with laser matrix headlights that adapt to curves and traffic conditions in real time. Along the sides, widened fenders give it a sportier stance, wrapping around 20-inch forged alloy wheels with low-profile Michelin Pilot Sport tires. Carbon fiber side skirts and mirror caps not only enhance looks but also reduce weight for better performance. At the rear, a quad exhaust setup is integrated into a sculpted diffuser, and the spoiler now features active aerodynamics that adjust with speed to increase downforce. Underneath, this BMW's i boasts a sport-tuned adaptive suspension system, fully recalibrated to offer both comfort and razor-sharp handling. A custom titanium exhaust system gives it a deeper, throatier growl. High-performance Brembo brakes provide confident stopping power, with ventilated discs and bright red calipers that hint at the car's upgraded capabilities. The chassis benefits from lightweight enhancements including a partially aluminium frame and carbon strut braces, offering better balance and agility on tight corners. Inside, the 2025 BMW's i is a futuristic cockpit layered with luxury. Premium Alcantara and perforated Nappa leather line the seats, dashboard, and steering wheel. A 14.9-inch curved display combines the instrument cluster and infotainment in a single sleek unit, paired with a second screen for climate and comfort controls. Ambient lighting, gesture control, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard. The seats are heated, ventilated, and offer massage functions. Under the hood, the modified 2025 BMW's i features a 3.0 litres inline-six turbocharged engine paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, pushing out around 430 horsepower and 520 Newton-meters of torque. With xDrive all-wheel drive and an 8-speed Steptronic transmission, it sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.2 seconds. This powertrain offers both thrilling acceleration and efficient cruising. Don't forget to subscribe to Car Tools for more of the latest automotive updates and detailed reviews.